Have access to pots, pans, skillets and utensils much more quickly. If you do a lot of cooking in your kitchen, you probably have hundreds of different items in there. Each one serves a different purpose, and as any good chef knows, having the right tool for the job is half of what the culinary arts are all about. Using the correct pot or pan can make cooking easier and make the meal better, and that's why these S-shaped hooks are perfect for even the amateur chef making meals at home. Complements your kitchen design perfectly. Since these hooks are stainless steel, they go with all kinds of kitchen designs. Two of the most popular kitchen themes is the ultra-modern look, which features a lot of stainless steel and brushed metal on everything from appliances to countertops, and the rustic look, which usually features wood countertops, cabinets and retro-style appliances. These stainless steel S-hooks will go with either one of those designs and thousands more. Strong and sturdy to hold up your heaviest kitchen necessities, these hooks are thick and strong, so you can count on them to hold even most of the heaviest pots and pans in your kitchen. You want a strong S-hook rather than a flimsy one, because the metal has already been bent into an S shape and been allowed to set. If you make S-hooks out of flimsy metal, you will get the curves bending backwards under even a few pounds weight. But these S-hooks are forged to last. 10-pack controls clutter and makes your kitchen more organized and easier to use. Because there are 10 of these in every package, you'll always have plenty to organize your kitchen. No matter how many pots and pans or kitchen utensils like oversized ladles and spoons you have, you'll always have enough hooks because these packages are priced low and you get 10 with every single one. Plus, you don't have to restrict yourself to the kitchen. Imagine being able to free up space in your garage